The reality is that no one is too busy. No one doesn't have the time. We all have the exact same 24 hours a day. It is just about priorities. You know, most people over 30 think that it's too late to start something new, too late to change careers, too late to build an online business, too late to start a YouTube channel. But the truth is that if you are over 30, it is actually the best moment to start. You know, one of my friends just quit his job as a tax specialist just to become a pastry chef at 35 years old. One of my other friends quit her marketing job at the age of 32 to start her own cafe business. So everything is possible. If you don't know about me, I'm Chris and I help busy people over 30 build a profitable YouTube channel with simple content creation systems so that they can start making money online from anywhere they want in the world. So if you would like to start your content creator journey, you can download, it's a free cheat sheet with 30 converting content ideas. So if you have no ideas, if you have no inspiration on what type of video you can start creating, you can just download it. It's the first link in the description. It's totally free. It's for you. So if you clicked on this video, it's because you are probably over 30 and you think it's too late, okay? Too late to start a profitable YouTube channel. But the thing is that if you think that way, you will take bad decisions. And if you take bad decisions over time, it can really impact your future. You know, Darren Hardy in his book entitled The Compound Effect just states that all the small decisions you make every day, all the little actions you take every day have a huge impact on your future. Let's just take a very simple example. If you eat very healthy in the morning, maybe you won't feel any difference after 1 week, maybe no difference after a month, after 3 months. But believe me, after 5 years, after 10 years, the difference will be so huge. Like your skin will glow, you will have no acne, you will feel very energized, you will feel younger than your real age. But in the opposite, if you eat very unhealthy, you know, like you eat a McDonald's every morning, you eat Burger King every morning, like a fast food every morning, maybe you won't feel any difference after 1 week, 2 weeks, after a month, 2 months. But believe me, after 5 years, it will be totally different for you. You will feel like very lazy, lack of energy, you will have a lot of acne on your face. You will feel very bad, okay? So every small steps you do every day, every little actions you take every day have a huge impact on your future. So just keep that in mind, it's very crucial. Now the thing is that you see on social media, a lot of people living from anywhere they want in the world with just a laptop. They earn a lot of money posting on social media, posting on YouTube, and you just wonder how you can do the same, but you're just afraid that you are not able to do it because you are too old for that. But let me tell you something. How long will you wait? How long will you wait before starting? You know, how long will you wait? It's very important to ask yourself this question. Why? Because I know you have dreams. You have dreams, but you don't do anything to get closer to your dreams. You just wait, okay? You just wait maybe for the perfect moment, or you just think that it's useless trying something because it's too late. And time goes by. Every day that passes is a day that you can get back. Tomorrow will be plus 1 day. In 1 week will be plus 7 days. You cannot go back in time, okay? So if you wait, the more you wait, the harder it will be. So your age is not your biggest enemy. Your biggest enemy is time. So let me tell you very quickly about my story. I was really stuck in a job at a bank. I was a financial advisor and then was manager, and it was a very toxic environment. My manager was toxic. Every day it was like, okay, how many products have you sold this week? Okay, how many products do you plan to sell today and tomorrow? How much assets have you invested from your clients so far? It was like that every day, and maybe 2 times a day. It's not like just a question. You have to write everything you do. You have to send them email on what you have done, what you plan to do every day like that. And it was very toxic because every time I woke up in the morning, it was like, oh my God, I have to go back to work. I felt very stressed, you know, like I know that it will be a very hard day again, and I know that if I don't meet the expectations, it's gonna be very hard for me again. And I saw that a lot of colleagues just decided to quit because they were not able to bear it anymore, you know. So it was a very, very, very hard period in my life, and I know that it might sound safe to have a job and to have a fixed salary every month, but actually it's not as safe as you think it might be, because You don't live your life, and you are not working for your future. You are working for someone else's future. So at that time, I was over 30, a bit introverted, tired, and I had no time. I saw on social media that a lot of people could work as a digital nomad or they work from an online business. And I thought that that might be the best thing to do. I really motivated myself to do it. But every time I got back home, I felt tired. I just wanted to rest, I just watched TV, I just watched movies, I just scrolled on social media, and I just thought that, okay, let's rest a little bit, and if I have time, I will do something for my business. And it was always the same scenario. Every night it was the same thing. I was just scrolling on social media every time, and when I checked the time, it was already 11 p.m. I was tired and I just wanted to go to sleep. It was like that every day. So if it's the same thing for you, how would you like things to change? How would you like your life to change? If you always do the same thing, the outcome will always be the same. Always be the same. And I tried multiple businesses, When I was very motivated, I said, okay, I'm gonna start right now. I tried many things. I tried dropshipping, I tried affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency, trading, concierge services for Airbnb apartments. So I tried many things and I failed many times. I failed all the time, and failure after failure, I just thought that okay, maybe it's not for me. So maybe I should just stay like doing my 9 to 5 and just stay with it, just be happy with my very basic salary and just live a very basic life, and just enjoy on the weekends and just take a few days every year to go on vacation. And it was a very hard time for me, but it was so painful for me to go to work every day that my motivation was so much bigger that I really had to do something. I just couldn't wake up in the morning with the same stress, with the same feeling that I have to go back to the office again to work with someone I really don't care about, and to discuss things that I really don't care about with my colleagues, because it's really not something I was interested in. So I was so motivated that I had to do things. I had to go back and try again. So failure after failure, I decided to try again. So I tried so many times different businesses that I finally found the one that put me in the position where I am today, totally free. And I generate more than 40 to 50k per month. It is just crazy, it is just crazy. I've never imagined that I could live this type of life. It's just quite a simple life, but it's freedom for me. I do whatever I want, wherever I want, and whenever I want, especially without asking anyone's permission. I just live for myself and I fully live my life. That's the message I want to convey through this video. I want to inspire you to do the same, because I really believe in karma. I truly believe in the fact that if you do good things and very positive things around you, it will come back to you in another way. So I just want to give you as much value as I can so that I can really impact your life. So now let me tell you something very simple. Why starting at the age of 30 or more is a real advantage. It is not a problem, it is a real advantage. First, because of your life experience. If you have life experience, you have credibility, and credibility is crucial to be able to sell any product online, especially to people who really don't know you. So you have lived more, you have struggled more, and young creators can compete with real life experiences, okay? So you have this asset, and this is a real asset that will set you apart from the other competitors. Second reason, you are more disciplined than a 20-year-old guy. For sure, you are more disciplined now than you were when you were 20 years old. Can you confirm that? So you understand what is consistency, you know how to set priorities, and that discipline is equal to growth. Okay, you can grow with discipline, the discipline that you didn't have at the age of 20 years old. And you know why YouTube is the best path to freedom? Because it is a real asset, and everyone can start from zero and with zero. Okay, you don't need a lot of money. If you want to set up a real business, if you want to start a real business with inventories, with the rent, it requires a lot of money, okay? But if you start an online business, if you start creating content on YouTube, for example, it's totally free. Okay, you need to put on the work, you need to exchange your time first. But believe me, it is a real asset for your future. And you can literally earn money very quickly on YouTube. I'm not talking about Google AdSense, the revenue you get from ads on YouTube, but I'm literally talking about different strategies that you can apply to earn money thanks to YouTube from next week. By the end of next week, by the end of the month, you can start making money very quickly on YouTube because there are different strategies. If you know them, if you master them, if you apply them, I guarantee you can start making money online by the end of the month. So now I'm going to give you the 4 steps you can apply right now to start build a YouTube channel, a profitable YouTube channel that would help you start generating money very quickly within the next few weeks, and hopefully you will quit your job one day. I don't recommend you to quit right now, okay? Just start building in assets, just start building your YouTube channel, and if one day it brings you like recurring revenues, at that time you will be able to quit your job. But you see, you have no risk doing this. First thing you can do is to choose a topic, the topic you are going to talk about in your videos. But choose a real topic, okay? A topic that you are interested in, but not only interested in, but a topic where a lot of people are also interested in and are ready to pay money for. The more people are ready to invest money in a certain topic, the more you have the potential in creating a YouTube channel on that topic. So just think about that. Just think about a passion. Just think about something you are interested in. You can relate to your own experience, but also something about your work. If you are an Excel specialist, for example, you can create a real business around that. I know some people who make huge of money by teaching Excel to other people. So you can use your skills at work right now to create a business about that. If you have no ideas, just let me know in the comments your topic, your current job, and I will help you decide what type of skills you can use to monetize it on a YouTube channel. So that's the first thing. Choose the right topic. Second thing is to film simple videos. It might sound hard, but just start with what you have. Okay, here right now I'm filming with a very expensive camera, with a very expensive lens. The total cost around like $8,000, but I'm not asking you to film with very expensive gear. You can just start with your phone. It's very simple. Just hit record and start talking to the camera. Very simple thing, but you should invest in a mic. So if you don't know what type of mic you should buy, just check in the description. Sound is very important. So the image quality with the normal phone is already good, okay? But the sound needs to be very, very, very clear, okay? It needs to be clear because people won't stay in your video if it's not pleasant to listen to. So it's very simple. You don't need to script it because it's supposed to be something you're interested in, or something about your experience, or it's supposed to be your skill at work. So you know how to talk about it without a script. Just write some bullet points and just talk to the camera for 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. You will see that it's gonna be very quick, okay? You will just talk to the camera, you will check the time, it's already, I talked for 10 minutes, I didn't see the time passes. So film very simply. Take your phone, take a mic, talk to the camera, record yourself, start talking right now. Step number 3 is the real advice. You should batch your content. Just prepare all the videos in one time. Then once you made the setup with a good light is also very important. If you have a great window, you can stay close to the window, but the light is also very important. So you just prepare some videos, the things you want to talk about, like 4 or 5 different things that you would talk about your main topic. And then you just prepare the different bullet points. And when you record, you just record the 5 videos during the same session. You should do that because it would take so much energy, so much time that it would cause laziness to just record one video, make the editing, posting it, just come back, preparing another video, recording it, posting it, and again and again and again. It's very energy consuming and I don't recommend you to do that, okay? So you should batch your content. So the last step to be successful and to see the number of subscribers growing is to post at least once a week. Start posting at least once a week. If you can, 2 times a week is even better. But let me tell you something. It's better to be consistent in the long term than posting 4 videos in 1 week and stop because you don't have time anymore or things like that. So just believe me, these 4 steps are very important and will help you gain followers so that you can reach the 1,000 subscribers very quickly, and you can also reach the 4,000 hours of watch time required to start getting monetized in the YouTube program. So just to summarize it, the first step is to choose the right topic. The second step is to film yourself very simply but quickly. The third step is to batch the creation, and the fourth step is to commit to post at least once a week during 8 weeks minimum. Okay, just do that and you will start seeing results. I guarantee you, you will see results if you do it properly. So remember, I'm not special. I don't have anything more than you. Okay, I don't have like a very high IQ. I'm just normal. Okay, I'm not smarter than you. But if I made it, I guarantee you 100% you can also do it. Okay, you can do it. So I want you to do it. I'm sure it will impact your life, it will change your life, and you will never have to worry about money again. Okay, I promise you, if you do the right thing, you will never have to worry about money again. If you have a specific case, a specific thing that you would like to discuss with me, you can book a 30-minute call with me if you want. It's totally free. It's like a 30-minute free consulting call. I will just analyze your situation and I will just see if there's something I can do to help you specifically regarding your situation. So if you want that, you also have the link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I hope that this video motivated you to start creating a YouTube channel, because believe me, it will change your life as it changed mine. Now, if you want to know more about my story and how I made to become totally free, you should definitely check this video right here.